What you're looking at is a cicada killer wasp doing exactly what it does best: killing a cicada. Well, actually, the cicada is paralyzed. The adult cicada killer will paralyze the cicada with her stinger, carry it back to her burrow, and lay her eggs underneath the second left or right leg of the cicada. The eggs then hatch, and the larvae begin to eat the cicada while it's still paralyzed. Although cicada killer wasps aren't dangerous to humans, they could still damage lawns and flower beds. We found multiple burrows across the yard. For treatment, we're going to inject a residual dusting application directly into each burrow. This product rapidly eliminates the adult cicada killers, their eggs, and the larvae inside the chamber.